High in the mountains, life's never been easy. And for the shepherds of Tajikistan, every single day is a test of endurance. Today, I want to show you the harsh reality of life in Pamir pastures, where the mountains seem to touch the sky, and the nature never forgives carelessness. In my previous video about Sakit Ahmad Dagh, I spoke about the open pastures and the dogs themselves. Let's look deeper into the everyday life behind those beautiful mountain landscapes. The exhausting work that begins long before the sheep are even taken to graze. And at the end of this video, I will show you a previous video of Sagid Ahmad Dagh working in the pastures, and you can watch it. Before sunrise, while darkness still covers the mountains, the shepherd wakes up. Even before breakfast, before the other herdsmen open their eyes, work has already begun. First, he must light a fire. If the weather is dry, it is manageable. But when rain and fog cover the mountains, everything becomes harder. The firewood gets wet, smoke fills the small hut, and even preparing a simple breakfast can turn into a struggle. There is no electricity in these remote pastures. Only small solar batteries are used to charge phones, and sometimes even those fail when weather stays cloudy for days. After breakfast, the sheep are released from the pen and given salt before herding towards the grazing grounds. There may be more than 1,000 sheep, and guarding such a massive flock across the mountain terrain is difficult work. Usually one shepherd lives near the flock, while the other remains near the hut to handle the endless chores waiting behind. These Sakit Ahmad Dagh dogs, after patrolling through the entire night in shifts, divide their duties as well. Some accompany the flock into the mountains, while others stay behind near the hut and the sheep pen. The same happens with the horses and donkeys. Some are taken to the pastures, while others remain behind to rest and graze nearby. As the flock moves across the mountains, the shepherds constantly change grazing spots, so the sheep can find fresh grass. And wherever the sheep go, the guardian dogs stay close beside them, silently watching the landscape for wolves and other predators. Back at the camp, work never stops. The shepherd who stayed behind begins cleaning the sheep pen. In dry weather, this may only need to be done every couple of days. But during rain, fog, and cold mountain humidity, the pen must be cleaned daily. It has to remain dry and covered with hay, otherwise infections can spread, and pregnant sheep may even lose their lambs. Throughout the night, the Sagi dogs remained beside the sheep pen, always alert. Later, another difficult task begins. The shepherd must go deep into the mountains to gather firewood, sometimes walking 2 or 3 kilometers. The dogs often accompany him there as well. Life is difficult not only for the shepherds, but also for the dogs. In the pastures, Sagid Ahmad Dagh dogs protect the flock from predators, patrol constantly, and even care for weak newborn lambs when their mothers abandon them. Before supper, the shepherd takes the horses and donkeys to a distant salty spring nearly 5 kilometers away. After the animals drink, they return to the camp, and only then does the shepherd begin preparing food once again. And he is not cooking only for himself. The horses receive barley and dry grass. The donkeys are fed as well. The dogs are given around 800 grams for each dog every day, but even this is often not enough, and many Sagidahmarta survive partly by hunting on their own in the mountains. At night, the danger grows greater. Wolves attack more often after dark. So the dogs stay awake, constantly patrolling around the flock and the camp. If the barking suddenly erupts somewhere in the darkness, the shepherds wake immediately and rush outside to help the dogs if necessary. And besides all of this, over 1,000 sheep must constantly be checked for injuries and disease. Horses, donkeys, and dogs also need care. The animals must be treated against parasites and monitored daily. And all this work is usually done by the 2 shepherds. This is one of the reasons why the Tajik guardian dog is called Sagidahmarta. In Tajik, the name roughly means 10 men, a reflection of how much work a single shepherd is forced to do in these mountains. The life of mountain shepherds is unbelievably difficult. Looking at those peaceful flocks scattered across the Pamir pastures, it is hard to imagine how much labor exists behind that calm image. And this is exactly why Sagidahmarta are not seen as ordinary dogs by the shepherds of Tajikistan. They are true partners. Day after day, year after year, they perform duties without complaint, without rest, and without needing constant comments. For thousands of years, these dogs have developed an independent way of thinking. They work in shifts, make decisions on their own, and understand their role beside humans almost instinctively. Without that independence, life in these mountains would be nearly impossible for both the shepherds and the dogs. These dogs protect life itself, and in return they ask for very little, only respect, trust, and care. And before this video ends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss the next story from the mountains.